Hey, this is Jeff Nash reporting in. Got a real doozy here. 1983 Ducati 900 S2. I mean, a brand new bevel drive Ducati. Where do you ever find that? This is the last of the Kickstart model 900s. Absolutely perfect original condition. Spent its life in an air-conditioned garage. Showing 2 miles, factory miles on the clock. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. I gotta have motorcycle for someone out there, I'm sure. I mean, if you've ever ridden a bevel drive, you know that they are purely a joyous motorcycle to ride. This bike is going to be available for $44,995. If you've got any questions, give us a call and I'll be happy to answer them for you.